How to fix the rattle noise from the front trunk. First, we need to remove the front cover. Same with the other side. Grab onto the top edge and slowly wiggle it out. Once it's loose, it can easily take out. Check on all the loose wires and can put some foam tape on it. Check everywhere for loose sound. And apply the foam tape to all the places with noise. Check it thoroughly. Also, the clips are very loose. So again, put some small foam tape onto it. It back is just the opposite. Place it on top of all the clips and push it straight downward. Comment below for any other places with rattle noise fix, and I will make a video on how to fix it. Bye guys.